What's up? Back to this 71 Cutlass. Got the convertible top installed. A few other odd and end things done. If you remember, I went over the frame, the cylinders, the lines, the motor, wiring, painted the frame. It has new weather stripping. So the weather stripping all the way around the top itself is finished. All the header trim pieces are finished. Let's see, there's a little light. Got the seats done. Just went ahead and put them in here to get them off my work table. Get the carpet in here soon. Those rear panels test fitted. And the kick panels. And the lower AC vent ductwork trim, whatever that's called. Pedals are all blacked out. Yeah. It's got a new well liner. It goes down in there. I did everything on this top. Well liner, pads, cables. Weather stripping. I still have one more thing to do to it. One of two things. Come out so nice. I have a little something there with the steamer. I think that'll take care of it. Worst case, I can drop the rear bow and pull it 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch tighter on each side here. Yeah, real nice top though. It's the Stay Fast cloth type top. Let's see. Let's say it seems like I did something else, but yeah, I wired it for the stereo. All that's nice and neatly ran. RCAs and speaker wire, remote wire, power wire. RCAs and power wire on opposite sides of the car. Real nice fit though. Get this front glass in here soon. Didn't really get it sealed up. Alright, thanks for watching. Next video should have the carpet in it. I mean, a few more odd and ends. Peace.